Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. This is Nilu. I'm back with you with a video of how to use Mendeley and manage your citations. I suggest Mendeley. You might have different preferences, but in my own experience, I really enjoyed using Mendeley because it's easy to download all the citation files, and also it's easy to change anytime, and I can add before and after in any time of my writing. So it's very easy. I want to just share with you because I was going through the same thing for my paper. So I wanted to share with you. You can use it for your thesis if you're doing a master or a PhD. So first, I'm going to share with you everything, like from the beginning when you have to first download it. So there's two things to download for Mendeley. One is the software itself, so you can download for Windows or Mac. And then the another thing you need to download is the extension for your Chrome, because this will help you to download the citation directly from any papers that you see. So once you download your software and you install it, you will have something like that. That will be the Mendeley Reference Manager. Something I suggest for you to do is creating groups if you're doing like many papers or many theses. So when you create group, it's easy for you to add, because if you add everything and all the references are together, it's very hard for you to find when you want to insert it in your paper. So the best thing for me is that creating a group of papers or whatever you want to name them. And then when you want to add, this one I will call it test. Okay. And the lead is a bit slow sometimes. So, okay, so I will add the test, and what I'm going to do is, okay, so I have this paper that I want to cite, for example, and then, sorry. So, and then I will go to the extension. I just press the extension once you're on the paper, and then okay, so here you see the groups, like, okay, now I don't want, okay, it takes some time to update, so I can't see the test here right now. I actually kind of have to, it has to update, but it's not updating. That's the only problem with Mendeley. Okay, I'm just gonna throw it in this group, and then you add it in your group. Okay, so then you will come to your Word file that you're working on, and for example, I saved it in this group, P03. Okay, there I have it. It was the same. Sometimes it takes a very long time for it to update. Okay, then wherever you want to cite it, so you will just press okay, and then insert citation. So there you have it. But then what is cool about it is that you can change your style, like depending on the journal you're doing, or if university has certain requirement for you, so you can change it later or whenever. Maybe you write halfway or even you submit it and they ask you to change, so you just press one button and then it changes. And then also what you can do is and then at the end you're gonna say okay, now insert bibliography, and then the magic, it will appear as many as you have. And then okay, so now I have this citation, and my university tell me, okay, no, I don't want IE, maybe I want like Elsevier, Vancouver, or maybe I want Harvard. So you can just change it. So I press change, and the style change, and you can see here even in the text it will change the style. So I think that's about it. It's quite simple and easy to use, and there you go. But I have this problem with Mendeley, that so when I download it on my extension, it doesn't appear automatically. So I have to go out of the group and come back again, so I can see the new citation that I added. This is something I don't know if you guys have an idea how to fix this bug in Mendeley. Just leave me comments, but that's about it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.